Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn basic Linux commands. So I am using Linux distribution Ubuntu, and now let's find us terminal. You have to go to this menu button and search for terminal. Terminal is a command line interface that is used to run commands. Now let's open it here. So the first command that we are going to learn is pwd. This command tell us currently in which directory we are. So let's enter. And so it tells us that we are in home directory and dev is the username. So this command will tell us the name of directory in which we currently are. Okay. So the next command that we are going to learn is ls. Ls command lists the files and directories. So when I run this ls command, I'm going to see all the files and directories present in this home directory. Let's enter. And now I can see desktop downloads and all the other files that are present inside this directory. Okay, so now I want to move from one directory to another. For example, I want to go to desktop or downloads. So I will use this cd change directory command that will help me, that will allow me to move to different directory. So let's go to documents, enter. Okay, now let's see what is inside document. To see inside document, we have to list. Okay, so there are two directories inside document. So now I want to make another directory inside document. So I am going to use this make directory command. Make directory is actually a folder. So I want to make a folder inside this document directory. So let's call it tutorial and enter. Let's ls and check. Now we can see this tutorial folder created inside this document directory. Okay, so now let's move to this tutorial folder, enter. So this tutorial folder is empty as I have created it now. So it is empty. I want to create a file inside this folder. So I will use this command touch that will allow me to create a file inside this folder. Let's call it example.txt. Enter. So let's ls. Okay, so here I can see the file. Now let's go to this file and files and check if it is actually happening. So we have created tutorial folder by using command line, and inside this we have this example.txt file. Now let's go back to terminal. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to write something inside this file. I want to write inside this file. So I will use this command nano. So this nano command allows me to write inside this file. Nano and the name of file example.txt and enter. So here I can write any text. For example, hey, I am written inside file. Now we have to control X and control Y and enter. Okay, so now I want to check if it was actually written inside a file or not. So we have another command that is used to check the content of the file. So we will use this command cat and the file name that will show us the content that is written inside this file. So here we can see that I wrote this inside this file and now it is here. Now let's check here. Now let's open it, and here it is. So we can see it is working as we expected. Okay, so the next command is who am I? Who am I? This command returns the current username. So enter. So I my username is dev, so it returned dev. Another command is free that shows the system's memory usage. Enter, and here we can see all of the memory usage. And we have this command df that displays information about disk space usage. Enter. These are system commands, so we can check what's happening inside system. Okay, so another most important and last command of our tutorial is sudo. that is short for super user do, that allows us to execute commands with administrative privileges. For example, any command that I am going to run with this sudo has administrative privilege. For example, I want to install something inside this PC. I will do this apt install node. This is used to install something. I want to install node in my PC. Enter. So here I have this error, permission denied. So the error is due to that I am not able to install anything inside this PC without having administrative privilege. So I have to do this sudo apt install node. It will ask me for password. Enter. Okay, so this was our last command of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more of these videos.